Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, and in this video I'm going to show you how to flash the stack ROM. Okay, first we need to check what is the current version of our software. To do it, go to Settings, then About Phone, Software Information, and in here we have the build number, and next to it we have our version. It's A356BXXS6CYJ1. That's the version that I have. And it's important because when it comes to Samsung devices, we can flash the same version of our stack ROM and every version that it's above. It's impossible to install older version. So in my case, I can flash the same version and every version that is above. Okay, so once we know that, we can power off our device. So hold the power key and volume down and click on power off. Now visit our page, HardReset.info, go to download section, and in here, you gotta type Samsung drivers, select Samsung drivers, and hit the download button. Then type Odin and download the latest version 3.14.4, and then open up a new tab, type SM8356B firmware. I highly recommend to use this page, samfw.com. Tap on that, keep scrolling down. If you go back to the model, click the numbers. In here, select your country. I have the European version, so I'll just select EUX. Keep scrolling down, and in here we have all versions of the software. As you could remember, I had this version, CYJ1, and in my case, I would like to keep it, so I'm about to flash it once again. So select the version that you're interested in, keep scrolling down, and we have two download links. It's up to you which one you'll pick. Let's say that I'll pick the one down below. And then click on download. Okay, now open up the downloads folder. Okay, and here we have the Odin, Samsung drivers, and our software. We need to extract those three files. Right click, I'm about to use WinRAR, and then extract to. If you don't have the WinRAR, you can always right click, then extract all, and extract, and it will also work. And also the software, extract to. Okay, I have extracted the Samsung driver, so let's begin with it. Open up the folder and install the drivers, double click. In my case, it says that it's already installed, so I'm not going to repeat the installation process once again. But in your case, if you're installing the drivers for the first time, I highly recommend to restart the computer after the installation, so thanks to that, everything will work properly. And we need to wait until our software is extracted, so let's keep waiting until it's done. Okay, now open up the folder with the Odin, double click and launch the app. Click on OK. We also need to have the USB-C cable that is connected to our computer, and on our phone we need to enter download mode. To do it, it needs to be turned off. Now hold both volume keys, keep holding, insert the cable, but don't release volume keys, keep holding until you see this menu, click on volume up, and now we are in the download mode. Also, it's important that in Odin app we need to see the numbers under ID COM, these numbers. If you see them, everything is okay. It means that our phone is successfully connected with our computer. Now, click on BL, go to downloads, open up the folder with the software, double click, and select BL file. Then AP, select AP file. And also, we need to be aware that if you are flashing the stack ROM, everything will be erased from the device, so have that in mind. And we gotta wait a little bit because the IP is the biggest file, so it's loading a little bit longer than the rest of the files. Wow, it's loading longer than I expected. Okay, finally. Now CP, select CP file, and then the CSC, and select CSC file. Not home CSC, normal CSC. Okay, and then click on Start. As you can see, the process has started. Now we just need to keep waiting until it's installed. Okay, and as you can see, our device has turned on. Now we can unplug the cable. We won't be needing it anymore. We can also close the Odin and everything else. I'll also go to the full screen. And now let's go quickly through the setup. I'll show that everything works. And select the language, click on next, next. Select to agree, next. Set up manually. I'll skip the Wi-Fi. Don't copy. Next. Skip, skip. More, accept. More, agree. Next. Click on home, and our device now has turned on. If you want to verify the new version of the software, if you are flashing the higher version, go to settings, about phone, software information, and in here you'll be able to verify it, just like in the beginning of the video. In my case, there is no difference because, you know, I was flashing the same version once again. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.